high.
Really?
And it's a shame that they have all this potential, yet they don't have the chance to showcase it.
Okay.
I'd like to see them compete in something like we did in the Suzuki Cup.
The Suzuki Cup was the former Tiger Cup, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
The great thing about football, it's a sport for everyone. It's a neutral gender sport.
Yeah,
You can be of any size or height or any body build. It's for any race. So it really is the sport for the mass, and it's the sport for all. And that's why we want to promote football as much as possible.
You know what Mr. Lopez said, the chairman of ABS, he said right after your game, I was with him, and then he said, all of a sudden, football is so exciting watching the two brothers, you know.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Lopez.
Kiefer belongs to the other beautiful sport, the other beautiful game. Basketball. And Kiefer, I don't know if you watch Kiefer. Kiefer is a very exciting player, you know. He does mga triple-double from time to time. Not time to time, but a lot of times. So, okay, what is your projection for basketball, especially for the younger ones?
Siguro yun nga po, nagsimula dun sa magandang finish ng ASCALs. Of course, yung football program ng Philippines na notice all throughout the world. Tapos yun nga sa basketball po, na nasimulan nila. Tapos yung sa mga other leagues, sa amin, sa RP Youth namin, under 18. With the help of Tao Group Corporation.
Kayo nag-Malaysia rin or Singapore?
We went to Yemen po.
Yemen.
Actually, the FIBA Asia tournament was in Yemen.
Okay.
Tapos we finished fifth place.
Yeah.
So, actually, disappointed din kami dun sa tournament namin. Kasi alam po namin na kaya pa namin ipanalo po talaga.
Okay.
Kaso hindi nga alam po nangyari. Pero that took up a lot of people din in the basketball world na potential din yung mga Pilipino.
Sa basketball, Keith, ano yung parang structure in terms of grassroots? Ano ba ang pinakamalaki? Milo Best ba?
Opo, nagsimula naman po sa mga bata. I actually started in